Welcome to the MicroMolar podcast, the Biotech Signals series. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2026.
We begin with regulatory and commercial signals.
Moderna's flu vaccine gained unanimous FDA advisory committee support, putting the company one step closer to expanding its mRNA platform beyond COVID-19. The vote reverses earlier regulatory skepticism and significantly improves the outlook for Moderna's seasonal influenza franchise ahead of a potential approval.
The FDA approved Merck's Welireg-Keytruda combination as an adjuvant treatment for kidney cancer, giving Merck another important oncology win. The expanded label strengthens Merck's position in renal cancer while extending the reach of two cornerstone therapies.
Denali Therapeutics sold an FDA priority review voucher for $195 million to generate additional funding for its neurodegenerative pipeline. The transaction demonstrates how valuable regulatory fast-track assets have become, with voucher prices now roughly double what they were just 3 years ago.
Unicor received another FDA reversal, reopening an accelerated approval pathway for its Huntington's disease gene therapy. The decision marks a significant regulatory breakthrough for one of the most closely watched gene therapy programs in rare neurological disease.
GSK and Sparrow secured FDA approval for their oral antibiotic for complicated urinary tract infections. The approval provides an important new treatment option at a time when antimicrobial resistance continues to be a growing global concern.
UK demand for Novo Nordisk's oral Wegovy surged immediately after approval, with one major online pharmacy reporting its waitlist tripled within a week. The rapid uptake highlights enormous consumer interest in convenient oral obesity treatments.
FDA officials introduced a new Commissioner's National Priority Review Voucher program, but uncertainty around implementation is making many industry leaders uneasy. Companies are eager for accelerated review pathways, but want clearer rules governing eligibility and decision-making.
Now for venture and financing signals.
Spot Bio emerged from stealth with $40 million to develop non-viral gene therapies for muscular dystrophy. The startup reflects growing industry interest in alternatives to traditional viral gene delivery systems.
RA Capital, Forbion, and Sanofi Ventures are reportedly backing a new Korean ophthalmology program. The investment underscores continued venture interest in globally sourced eye disease therapies and cross-border innovation.
Trevini Bio raised $65 million ahead of pivotal eczema data, expected to define the future of its dermatology pipeline. Investors appear willing to fund the company through a series of potentially value-changing clinical milestones.
Innoviva is reviving Lindra's long-acting oral drug platform with scientific guidance from Robert Langer and former FDA Commissioner Janet Woodcock. The effort aims to reduce dosing frequency and improve patient adherence across multiple therapeutic areas.
A new migraine biotech launched with $46 million to advance next-generation prevention therapies. The financing reflects continued investment in neurological diseases despite an increasingly competitive migraine landscape.
A German biotech secured $50 million to develop two depression treatments, including a potential challenger to Spravato. The raise signals sustained investor confidence in next-generation psychiatric therapeutics.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the MicroMolar podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.